Good morning, dear students. How are you, everybody? So, today in computer subject, we will continue our chapter 2. And in chapter 2, we will see page number 15. So, page number 15, our part 2 of lesson 2. So, in this, we are going to learn which are the output device. So, before starting about output device, there is a first question over here, that how computer shows result. Computer shows result through its output device. If you enter any informations, so how you get the result? You get the result with the help of output device. Now which are the output device and how to connect that output device, we will learn. The device that provide results after processing are called output devices. So they are known as output device, which gives information, correct information in the form of result after the processing. Now output device, which are the output device? So few output device are there and pictures are also given in your textbook on page 15. So first one we will see about monitor. A monitor is used for displaying the result of processing. We enter, that means we input information and process goes on in the CPU. For example, the result of calculations are displayed on the monitor screen. When you enter any information, for example a result, and you want the calculation, how many marks you got and overall the total of the each subject, so you enter with the help of keyboard and you can see answer. After the processing you get the answer on the monitor screen. So this is the monitor screen, you can see an example. So this is also an output device. And next one is printer. A printer is used for getting the output on paper. You get a result in the form of paper. First you can see on the screen of monitor, and that you want as one type of data with you, so you can see at any time. So you can take a printer also. So a printer is also a output device. For example, bills, tickets, reports, etc. are printed on paper. So this is the picture of a printer output device. So monitor first, second is printer. And third one is speakers. Speakers provide audio output. When you play a movie or a songs and you want to hear the sound, so audio is an output device. You can hear the music or you can listen the movie dialogue. For example, songs, music, speeches, etc. can be enjoyed by connecting speakers to the computer. So these three, for example, first monitor, already you need to do work, and when you get attached with the printer, your computer get attached with the printer and the audio, you can able to take out printer also of your result, and you can listen the music with the help of speakers. So these are the output. This the already we connect is a part of a computer, but it is known as the output device: monitor, printer and speaker. And one more information for you, it is a given, and before that one question is there. Write I for input device and O for output device. So here few words are given, so you are going to put in the box I or O. Keyboard is input device, printer is output device, mouse is input device because you point the object, and monitor is output device, you see the result, and joystick is input device when you move anything, for example a car or a bike, so with the help of joystick you give the information, so it is known as input device. And speaker, you hear the music, output device. And in yellow box it is given that a touch screen is both an input and output device, because in touch screen what you do, you put the information that is input and you get the result as the output, that also on the screen. So it is known as input and output device, touch screen device. Okay students, so let's see on page number 16. On page number 16 there is a short example as a given in your textbook, that reusing the output. Now output, you know what are the output device, but what is the meaning of reusing the output? Reusing the output device means often while using computer there comes a situations when output once generated is required again. For example, once you took output of your result and again you want, okay, or you want a birthday card. Once you took a output of your birthday card, and if you want one another also, you need one more because one copy is less, so you can reuse output device also more than once. For example, in school when computer is used for preparing result, then few notes are given, keep in mind. Third monthly examinations marks are again required at the time of sixth monthly examinations. 3-month examination result, and when you prepare the 6-month examination result, you need marks of third examination result. So you need this also to prepare this. So again used this result to make 6-month examination result. And next one is at the time to prepare yearly result. See, this is the yearly result. So for yearly result you need 3-month marks and 6-month mark. So third monthly and 6th monthly marks both are required for preparing the final mark sheets. Okay, so it is clear in the mind. To prepare the 6th month you need the 3rd month marks, and to prepare the annual mark sheet you need the 3rd month and 6th month examinations marks. So it is reused, so it is known as reusing the output. Your exam you gave for the 3rd month, 6th month and the final year. Here is a short result sheet, it is given in your textbook. 3-month examination result, 6 month, 3 and 6, and here 3 months, 6 months and final, and overall total as a final marks. Okay students, so this is the short form. It is given in your textbook that when you input anything as an information, process goes on the CPU, and in the form of output you get the result on monitor and printer, and in the speaker it is known as the audio output. And here is the example given, reusing the output in the form of your mark sheets. Okay students, so till here only we are going to continue, because already I gave you first lesson PDF. Those who are remaining finish the first lesson PDF, and in second lesson we are going to do only few hard words. Thank you students, everybody have a nice day.